Welcome to lesson 1 of Crypto Trading 101. Today we are going to explore the basics of cryptocurrency, what is it and how it works, and why it matters. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital and virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. This means it's protected by complex code that makes it difficult to hack or fake it. The key thing to understand is that cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by government or banks. It is called decentralization. The most famous example of cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was launched back in 2009. But there are now thousands of other cryptocurrencies available. So, what can you actually do with cryptocurrency? First, you can use it to buy goods and services, just like you would do with traditional money. You can also invest it, hoping that its value will increase over time, or trade it on various exchanges for profit. Finally, cryptocurrencies allow you to send money globally, quickly, and with lower fees than traditional financial systems. Now, key features of cryptocurrency. First, decentralization. Cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by government or banks, giving people more control over their money. Security and transparency. Thanks to blockchain technology, every transaction is securely recorded and transparent for everyone to see. This prevents tampering and fraud. Investment opportunities. Many people buy cryptocurrencies as an investment, hoping the price will rise over time. Types of cryptocurrencies. There are many different types of cryptocurrencies, each with its own purpose. Bitcoin, known as a digital gold, it is first and most well known. Ethereum, on the other hand, is not just a currency. It's also a platform that developers use to create decentralized applications. Then there's stablecoins, which are tied to the value of traditional currencies, like US dollar, to reduce price volatility. And there is meme coins. Meme coins are super risky, super profitable, and there is a lot of scams there. So if you are new to cryptocurrency, try to avoid them. So how does cryptocurrency actually work? Cryptocurrency operates on the blockchain technology, which is like a public ledger, where every transaction is recorded. Unlike traditional banking, which relies on middlemen, cryptocurrencies operate on peer-to-peer network. This means that transactions are made directly between users and verified by miners or validators, ensuring the network security. So, why cryptocurrency is important? Cryptocurrency is important because it empowers individuals to have more control over their assets. It reduces the need for traditional banks and opens up financial system to people worldwide, especially those who are underserved by the existing system. This democratization of finance is one of the main reasons crypto is seen as a game changer. In summary, cryptocurrency is a new form of money that decentralized, secure, and changing the way we think about finance. Understanding its basics is your first step towards becoming a confident crypto trader. In the next lesson, we will dig deeper into the technology behind it, the blockchain.